What's up, everybody? Walking around Walmart and drinking an al8. Come on, Skylar, this way. Just got back from Christmas Island. Was it Christmas Island, Scott?
Yes.
Scott? Yep. Christmas Island. We filmed for that. We'll show you all on the YouTube channel in a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Let's go down this way. We're just walking around for a minute. Me and my son. al8. Cold al8. Just got done eating a Hawaiian bun with ham salad on it from IGA out of Nancy. Looking for Nancy. Pretty good. Huh? Did it move on you, Sky?
No.
Well, there's what you need, son.
What?
Right there. I mean, it might be small, but still. You know, if they had it bigger.
Dad, I punched that like so far away in my room.
Oh. Sorry.
I just yeeked that thing.
How much, hey, man? You